Hi everyone, Dr. Syed here. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to design an infographic slide in PowerPoint. Let's go! In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make this beautiful slide in PowerPoint. But before we start, let me tell you that you can download all the templates I have designed, that is over 3000 mind-blowing slides with 50% off. This price will be valid for 1 month. The download link is in the bio. Alright, let's dive in and start today's tutorial. Start by drawing a narrow rectangle and set its height to 1.8 and width to 0.33. Open the Format Shape window and fill it with gradient fill. Adjust the handles like this and then add a new spot in the center. Now you should fill them with these colors from dark to light. Make sure to set the angle to 180. Remove the outline and then add a drop shadow in this direction. Set the blur amount to 25 and distance to 12. Let's make some copies and adjust them like this. This is the final result. Now draw a circle and set its diameter to 1.3. Fill it with a gradient fill. Delete these and use these colors for the remaining spots. Let's reposition them. 60 degrees is good for the angle. We have to remove its outline. Let's add a drop shadow like this. Set the blur to 25 and distance to 12. Also add a top bevel to the shape. Width is 12 and height is 2. Now duplicate the circle and change the color of the spots. These are the color codes I'm using. Use any angle you like. I prefer this one. We don't need any shadow for this shape. Let's make it a little smaller. Add a text box and type the number. I'm using the Russo font family. The download link is in the description. Now select these. Align them to the middle and center, and then group them. Repeat this for the other parts. Now add your details to the slide. If you don't know how to add the icons, just go to the Insert tab and add them from the Icons menu. Anyway, let's duplicate the slide. Delete the details, and then hold Shift and rotate all the rectangles. Now select everything and align them to the middle. Zoom out and drag them to the outside. In the second slide, select all the text boxes and add the fade animation to them. They start with previews and the duration is 1 second. At the end, add Morph transition to the second slide and you are done. Your PowerPoint is ready. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did and you haven't subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing. Alright, I'll see you in the next video.